Hello, my family and friends. Would you like to earn money by just clicking ads? If you want to learn more about it, keep watching. Are you ready, guys? I'm gonna show you the platform. So please follow me. Hello, my family and friends. This is the platform, and it says Global Daily Pro. So I'm gonna teach you step by step of how to register in the platform. Okay, you need to find out because it's free. I mean, it doesn't cost you anything to find out. My friends, my family and friends, most of my friends were saying, "No, I don't have a computer. You can do this in your cell phone." See, my friends, look at my earnings every day. This is just by clicking the ads. Some is 45. See, that is Sally Casper. And some are 45, some are 43, and some are 39. So depending on the day, this commission is shared. So depending on the day, some they're higher and some is lower. Now it's like 39 cents. So you can use your cell phone, you can use a tablet, you can still make money. Hey my friends, here is the platform of Global Daily Pro. So when I send you the link, you just have to hit register. And here you're gonna write my name, Sally Casper, and then this is enter your last name, your email address, your address, the country. If you're in the Philippines, put in the Philippines, and username. So it's a good idea to use your name so you will not forget. And then you write it down in a piece of paper or in a notebook so you will not forget, okay? So because so you need to follow the instruction, you need to accept the terms of Global Daily Pro, and then it says over here you need to check all of this and then submit now, okay? Now you need to, for example, because since I'm already registered, I am in the system, so instead of registering, I have to go log in, right? I will show you. So, if you're already logged in, you have to write down your name here. And then, of course, I use Sally Casper for my username, so it's easier for my friends to find me and easier for me to remember. So I have to write down my password. Okay, my friends, can you imagine what I have to do is just to watch ads. So here I already watched this morning, so I don't think it will let me because I already watched this morning. But let's find out. See, it's just like this. You need to open ads and they will pay you by clicking ads. See, and it's very easy how once it's logged in, so it's running pretty quick. And so after that, you just have to click next. See that? Just have to click next. So because you need to click 10 ads a day. So go to the next ad. See how fast is that running? It's running fast. So in the corner, you just have to click next ad. So you only have to click like 10 ads a day to make money. See how easy this is? So if I can do this, you can too. Okay, see how fast is that running? So just click 10 ads a day. It's fast and it's quick. So you just have to go next. See, I have 3 ads already. I'm gonna show you this 10 ads so you will learn how easy this is. And go to the next ad. So you will not say this is difficult because see how fast that is? It's running so fast. It's just click ads every day. And so the next ad. See, that's so fast for that one ad. So fast. And then you just have to click next. And it goes and then click more ads until you finish the 10 ads. So this is what you're gonna do every day. Just to click ads. See how fast that is? Then I'll just have to go next. See, you spend only a few minutes a day to earn some money. You can see your money flowing every day. So what if you save that money for the whole year? That's quite a bit. See, that's 8 already. So 2 more ads and you can see your money flowing. So this is very interesting, and when you get commission like the ad packs, then you just have to, it's either you will withdraw that, your commission, until you get $100, or you can buy more ad packs with double your money every day. So that's very easy. And then we'll finish this, so I'll show you how the money flow. Okay, guys, in the corner here, I will hit the dashboard and I will show you how the money works. So did you see that, guys? Did you see that? You earn money in every direction. My commission is $47.20. I have 85 gold point, 1 ad pack, and then for the ad view I got $1.47. So it's very interesting. Learn how the platform works. It says it said congratulations, you are active in Matrix. And look at that, my gold rush in Matrix. So guys, follow me, learn the platform, and if you like rib share, this is really a good program. So it's very easy. I'm not good in computer, but I can click. So good luck, my friends. Join, let me know, and if you have some questions, I will let my upline explain it to you. I'll see you later.